Hi, Chris Audette here at ISE 2025. One of the items that we're showing here at soundcontrol.net is our RTK-AM1. And an RTK-AM1 is our new table kit solution, next generation, supporting DP alt mode, USB-C for 4K 60 video, and USB 2 USB video, 4x1 switching, complete integration into the Cisco XAPI environment. So when the system is connected to a Cisco codec, the inputs display on a Cisco touch panel native without programming. That also means that this device shows up in the Cisco codec GUI and in Cisco Control Hub, so Cisco devices alongside our devices can be managed globally from a single interface. You can learn more at www.soundcontrol.net.